Hey, do you want to learn how to send money, the crypto money from MoonPay to Phantom Wallet? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. So over here, I'm on the MoonPay app and you can see here that I've got MoonPay balance and the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Now, if I want to transfer, let's say Bitcoin, I'm going to click here on Bitcoin, then click on these three dots that is next to the buy button. After that, you can send it. So I'm going to click here on send. Now you can type in the Moon tag or the wallet address on the top. So for this, we're going to go to Phantom Wallet, and on it, I'm going to click on receive, the first button. Now I'm going to find Bitcoin here. So I'm going to copy it, copy the address, go back to MoonPay, and on the top, I'm going to paste it in that field and click on done. Now on the bottom, you're going to find external wallet. I'm going to click here, and that's it. If you've got Bitcoin in your MoonPay wallet, you would be able to send it from this step. And then you're going to receive the money, the crypto money in your Phantom wallet. And that's it. That's how to send money or crypto from MoonPay to Phantom wallet. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more crypto and mobile related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.